Let me show you something. You have probably seen those YouTube channels that are uploading simple videos every single day, sometimes even multiple times a day, and they are getting insane interaction. Their content isn't flashy, they don't show their faces, and yet their videos are pulling in millions of views over time. Now here's the exciting part. You can start the exact same type of channel without needing fancy gear, editing skills, or the courage to be on camera. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to do it. This niche is something everyone around the world is naturally curious about, and that is facts about our world. It's simple, engaging, and incredibly addictive for viewers. And with the right process, you can make videos in this niche with very little effort. So if you want to build a channel like that, one that grows steadily and can make you passive income, all without showing your face, then stay with me until the end of this video. But guys, here is a bonus first. I will also share 3 important tricks that will help your channel avoid getting suppressed by the algorithm. Many beginners get stuck at 0 views because YouTube doesn't trust their channel at first. But if you follow what I am about to show you, you can avoid that mistake completely. Step 1 is to warm up your channel. If your Google account is brand new, don't rush into uploading right away. Spend about 2 weeks just using YouTube normally. Watch videos, like them, drop comments, and even subscribe to a few creators you genuinely enjoy. This simple step tells YouTube that you are a real human, not a spam account. Step 2 is to optimize your channel. Before posting, make sure your channel is properly set up. That means writing a description filled with relevant keywords about your niche. You can use a tool like Rapid Tags to find the right keywords. Then add those keywords into your channel tags and set your country correctly in YouTube Studio. Don't skip the phone number verification either, because that unlocks intermediate features you will need. And now the step 3, which is don't cheat the algorithm. One of the worst mistakes beginners make is spamming their links everywhere. Facebook groups, random comments, even messaging people directly asking for subs. That doesn't work, and it can hurt your channel. Instead, let your content and consistency do the talking. Alright, now that we have got the foundation ready, let's move on to the fun part, making videos with Vexub. The beauty of Vexub is that it removes all the friction from video production. Normally, you would need to write a script, record a voiceover, hunt down visuals, and edit everything together. That could take hours, even days. But with Vexub, you can do it in minutes. Here is how. First, come up with your video idea. For example, let's say you want to make a video about countries you can walk across in under an hour. To get topics like this, you can simply use Google Trends to spot what people are currently searching for, or you can use ChatGPT to generate a list of engaging ideas around your niche. Once you have your topic, open up Vexub, click on Create New Video, and then choose the fully automated AI video option. After that, select the type of the video you want to create. For shorts, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio and keep the video under 60 seconds. For long form videos, select the landscape ratio and you can go as long as you need. Next, pick your visuals. Vexub gives you multiple options here. Now select the voiceover. Vexub has a whole library of AI voices you can choose from. Just pick one that feels engaging and not too monotone. Once you have chosen your voice, here you can either paste in your script, or if you don't have one yet, you can let Vexub write one for you using its built-in AI script tool. For the niche, I recommend using realistic or documentary style visuals to match the facts about the world theme. Now you have to click on Generate Video. Within minutes, you will have a fully produced video with subtitles and background music. And you can still customize everything if you want to swap a clip, style, and visuals, add different music, change the subtitle style. All of that is possible with Vexub's editing dashboard. That's how easy it is to go from idea to finished video without meeting cameras, microphones, or editing software. Now let's talk strategy. If your goal is to hit YouTube's monetization requirements of 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, you need both short form and long form content. Shorts will bring you lots of impressions and subscribers quickly, while long videos will build up your watch time. Here is the schedule I recommend. Upload 2 shorts every day, one in the morning, one in the evening. Upload at least 4 long form videos every week. That means in your first month, you will have around 60 shorts and 16 long videos. Shorts will drive people to your channel, and when they get there, your long videos will keep them watching, helping you rack up those 4000 watch hours. And remember, consistency is key. The reason so many channels in this niche are are gaining so much traction is because they never stop uploading. If you stick with this strategy and use Vexub to simplify the hard parts, you will be amazed at how quickly your channel starts growing. So if you are serious about building a faceless channel that makes passive income, stop overthinking, use Vexub, stay consistent, and focus on giving viewers content they actually want to watch. That's it for today's video. If you got the value from this free course, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Grow with Vexub for more powerful strategies. I will catch you in the next one.